Let's make some biscuits. So we have 2 cups of flour, and to that we are going to add 3 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give that a stir, and then we will add in 1/2 cup of cut up room temperature shortening. And mix that in with our pastry cutter till we get some coarse crumbs. Then we have 2/3 cup of milk, and to that we're going to add 1 egg. Give that a good mix up. Add it to our crumbed mixture. And until that's just combined there, we'll stir that. Just giving this old pan a little grease and flouring my surface. Now I'm going to knead my biscuit dough just a little bit to combine it all well. You know, 15, 20 folds. Now I'm going to roll that out and cut my biscuits. I just use a glass for the Now you bake these in your oven, 450 Fahrenheit for usually 8 minutes in my oven, but 8 to 10 minutes. You want the top just barely brown there, you see. And they puffed up, and they'll taste yummy, warm, with some butter or molasses. Enjoy!